aubergine. Everyone has different version of cooking, but for me this is my own version, my very own version.
Slicing the aubergine. Slicing the aubergines. It's tasty. It's green. This one down. It's my version. It's my own version. This one. There's two aubergines. UK aubergine. This is really big aubergine. It's called aubergine in UK, and in English it's eggplant. Eggplant. Just set it.
Now it's ready, so we need to flatten. It's called sorry for my English, miss. My English is not really good at this. English is not my first language. I'm not really fluent in English. Yes, we need to flatten it. And let's just set aside. So I prepared 2 eggs. Just 2 eggs. So we need to depends on you how many eggs you can put, but me I prefer the 2 eggs because it's better 2 eggs. You can test the eggs for the aubergine. I need to remove the egg. I don't know what's this. So now let's put some seasoning. Let's put seasoning for the eggs so that it's a little bit tasty. This is one of my favorite breakfasts. Let's put, you see it's too, so it's too really. We need to put a little bit seasoning. You can put any seasoning that's your favorite. Any seasonings. Or you can put salt. If you don't want seasoning, you can put salt. Anyone you want. Anything you want. Make it tasty. Make it flatten. Or you can put flour, but I don't need to add flour. Me, it's okay. Eggs and aubergine, I don't need to add flour. So now, let's put it here. Let's put it here. Just do it like this to make it quicker. Do it like this so there's one more there. To make the eggs absorb inside. Okay. See?
So now it's ready. I'm waiting for the oil to get a little bit hot.
Now I need to put an oil, not much because I don't like an oily food. Oil. Not much. That's it, I think. Now let's put the aubergine. Put the aubergine. Oh my god. Nice presentation. It's not nice. Let's check if it's a little bit brown. I'll make it sure a little bit brown so that I can turn around. It's not yet brown. Now let's put in the plate. It's ready now. It's ready now. Okay. And then the other one. Oh, it's ready now. This is my own version of aubergine. Everyone has different version of cooking, but for me this is my own version, my very own version.